Trying to find true relief from a sticky, stifling summer heat wave while stuck inside a small room can make relaxing or focusing on your daily tasks feel completely impossible. Standard floor fans do little more than blow hot, humid air directly into your face, leaving you sweating and uncomfortable in your own home. The SereneLife 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner completely reinvents your seasonal comfort routine, packing dynamic, fast-acting cooling power into a remarkably compact and mobile freestanding chassis. Moving far beyond the bulky inconvenience of a traditional window shaker unit, this versatile climate hub is masterfully engineered to quickly drop ambient temperatures in spaces up to 350 square feet, transforming your stuffy home office, bedroom, or small apartment into a crisp, refreshing sanctuary. The foundational engineering triumph of this SereneLife model centers on its high-efficiency dual-motor architecture paired with a heavy-duty rotary compressor. While cheaper single-motor portable air conditioners struggle to manage internal airflow efficiently, this upgraded system separates its cooling and exhaust cycles to optimize heat exchange, driving a powerful airflow rate of 290 cubic meters per hour to rapidly drop temperatures down into your personal comfort zone. The system features an expansive temperature range spanning 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to fine-tune your environment with absolute precision. To adapt seamlessly to shifting seasonal weather, the unit boasts 3-in-1 operational flexibility. Click it into the high-performance dehumidifier mode to continuously extract up to 1.2 liters of sticky moisture from the air per hour. Switch to the 3-speed fan mode for refreshing air circulation, or rely on the primary AC cooling mode to obliterate dense, trapped summer heat. Managing your indoor climate throughout a busy workday or relaxing evening is entirely effortless thanks to a highly intuitive dual control interface. The top of the sleek housing is fitted with a feather-touch digital control panel backed by a bright LED display, though you can seamlessly adjust the power, modes, and fan speeds from across the room using the included full-function remote control. For a peaceful night's rest, the built-in sleep mode automatically balances the compressor cycles with the energy-saving motor to keep your room perfectly chilled without sounding like a roaring engine. This is paired with a fully programmable 24-hour on-off timer, allowing you to easily schedule the unit to pre-cool your home office before your first meeting starts or automatically shut down after you fall asleep to maximize your daily energy savings. Physical installation and room-to-room mobility are beautifully streamlined compared to heavy, permanent window brackets that risk damaging your frames. The lightweight framework sits on 4 smooth-gliding universal caster wheels that work in tandem with integrated side handles, allowing you to easily roll the unit from your bedroom over to the living room or workshop as your daily schedule shifts. Out of the box, SereneLife includes a universal window mount exhaust kit featuring a flexible exhaust hose, automatic swing vents for wide-area air distribution, and a custom drain pipe. This clever, hassle-free configuration seals tightly into standard vertical or horizontal sliding window panels in just minutes, successfully venting out heavy, hot air while utilizing an internal self-evaporation system to drastically reduce manual drainage under normal humidity levels. Maintenance is kept down to an absolute minimum to ensure your indoor air stays clean, healthy, and completely free of common household irritants all season long. The back of the intake grille features a heavy-duty, removable air filter screen that captures floating dust particles and pet hair before they can enter the internal cooling coils. You simply slide the filter screen out, rinse it under a tap, let it dry, and pop it back in to keep the machine running at peak thermodynamic efficiency. If you are ready to permanently escape the productivity-crushing drag of summer humidity, bypass the physical strain of traditional window bracket installations, and invest in an incredibly energy-efficient, dual-motor cooling hub that tames heat, dampness, and stagnant air all at once, this 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if this compact unit is going straight into your bedroom or your dedicated home office. And I will see you in the next video.